Absolutely, I'd be happy to provide you with a detailed and comprehensive exploration of the creative possibilities when it comes to metal furniture designs. This is a truly captivating realm that blends innovative engineering, artistic expression, and functional practicality in truly inspiring ways. At the forefront of the metal furniture design landscape, we're seeing a remarkable flourishing of creativity and experimentation. The inherent strength, durability, and malleability of metal materials have long captured the imaginations of designers, who have pushed the boundaries of what's possible in this medium. One of the most captivating aspects of metal furniture design is the sheer diversity of aesthetic approaches. From the bold, industrial chic sensibilities of repurposed steel and iron to the refined, minimalist elegance of precision-crafted aluminum and stainless steel, the possibilities are truly endless. Take, for example, the growing popularity of metal furniture pieces that celebrate the raw, unadulterated beauty of the material itself. These designs often feature exposed welds, textured surfaces, and a deliberate celebration of the inherent imperfections that lend each piece a one-of-a-kind character. The juxtaposition of the industrial, utilitarian nature of metal with thoughtful, artful design sensibilities results in furnishings that are both visually striking and deeply functional. Conversely, we're also seeing a surge of metal furniture designs that prioritize a sleek, streamlined aesthetic. These pieces often feature clean lines, seamless joints, and a focus on highlighting the inherent strength and structural integrity of the metal. The use of advanced fabrication techniques, such as precision cutting, welding, and even 3D printing, has enabled designers to create metal furniture with a level of refinement and visual sophistication that was simply unattainable in the past. One particularly intriguing trend in the world of metal furniture design is the incorporation of organic, biomorphic forms. By drawing inspiration from the natural world, designers are creating metal furnishings that evoke a sense of fluidity, movement, and even whimsy. These pieces often feature sinuous curves, undulating surfaces, and a playful interplay of positive and negative space that challenges our traditional perceptions of what metal furniture can be. The integration of metal with other materials, such as wood, glass, and even textiles, has also become a hallmark of contemporary metal furniture design. This cross-pollination of mediums allows designers to explore the interplay of textures, colors, and materialities, resulting in furnishings that are both visually captivating and functionally versatile. For example, the pairing of sleek, powder-coated metal with warm, organic wood can create a sense of balance and visual harmony, while the incorporation of glass or acrylic surfaces can imbue a metal piece with a sense of lightness and transparency. Beyond the realm of pure aesthetics, metal furniture design has also become increasingly focused on issues of sustainability and environmental responsibility. The inherent durability and longevity of metal materials, coupled with the growing emphasis on recycled and reclaimed metal sources, have made metal furnishings a popular choice among eco-conscious consumers. Designers are now exploring innovative ways to incorporate recycled or repurposed metal elements into their designs, creating furnishings that not only celebrate the beauty of the material but also contribute to a more sustainable future. This might involve the use of salvaged industrial components, the incorporation of scrap metal into new designs, or the development of closed-loop manufacturing processes that minimize waste and environmental impact. As we look to the future, it's clear that the creative potential of metal furniture design shows no signs of slowing down. With the continued advancement of fabrication technologies, the exploration of new material combinations, and the growing emphasis on sustainability and environmental stewardship, the world of metal furniture is poised to continue its trajectory of innovation, artistic expression, and functional brilliance. Whether it's a boldly industrial coffee table crafted from reclaimed steel, a sinuous chaise lounge sculpted from sleek aluminum, or a modular shelving system that seamlessly blends metal with other natural materials, the possibilities for metal furniture design are truly limitless. As designers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can look forward to an ever-evolving landscape of metal furnishings that captivate the senses, inspire the imagination, and enhance the way we live, work, and interact with our environment. One of the most intriguing aspects of contemporary metal furniture design is the sheer breadth of aesthetic approaches. Designers are continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible, blending traditional metalworking techniques with avant-garde design sensibilities to produce furnishings that defy conventional categorization. Take, for instance, the rising popularity of sculptural metal furniture pieces that resemble kinetic works of art. These dynamic, often large-scale creations might feature gracefully sweeping forms, seemingly weightless cantilevers, or intricate geometric patterns that seem to defy the inherent rigidity of their metallic composition. Through the skillful manipulation of metal, designers are able to imbue these furnishings with a sense of fluidity, movement, and even whimsy that challenges our preconceptions about the nature of the material. In contrast, we're also witnessing a growing appreciation for the raw, unadorned beauty of metal in its purest form. Designers are embracing the inherent characteristics of various metal alloys, the warm patina of weathered steel, the cool industrial sheen of stainless steel, the soft luster of aluminum, and allowing these natural attributes to take center stage. These minimalist, almost monolithic metal furniture pieces often celebrate the material's inherent strength, durability, and versatility, with a focus on clean lines, precise fabrication, and a deliberate absence of extraneous embellishment. One particularly fascinating trend in the world of metal furniture design is the incorporation of unexpected juxtapositions and material combinations. By pairing metal with unexpected materials like wood, leather, glass, or even textiles, designers are able to create furnishings that are both visually captivating and functionally innovative. Imagine, for example, a sleek metal coffee table with a delicate glass top, or a sculptural metal chair upholstered in rich, supple leather. These unexpected material pairings not only contribute to a heightened sense of visual interest but also allow designers to explore the interplay of textures, weights, and tactile qualities in truly compelling ways. Another fascinating aspect of metal furniture design is the increasing emphasis on sustainability and environmental responsibility. As consumers become more conscious of the impact of their purchasing decisions, designers are responding with innovative approaches that prioritize the use of recycled, reclaimed, or sustainably sourced metal materials. This might involve the incorporation of salvaged industrial components, the creative repurposing of scrap metal, or the development of closed-loop manufacturing processes that minimize waste and maximize the longevity of each piece. By embracing these eco-conscious design strategies, metal furniture makers are not only producing visually striking furnishings but also contributing to a more sustainable future. Underlying all of these creative developments in metal furniture design is a deep appreciation for the inherent qualities of the material itself. Metal's unparalleled strength, durability, and malleability have long captured the imaginations of designers, who continue to explore new ways to harness these attributes and push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's the precision-crafted minimalism of a bespoke metal shelving system, the sculptural dynamism of a large-scale metal sculpture as furniture, or the unexpected material juxtapositions of a metal and leather chaise lounge, the world of metal furniture design is a constantly evolving and captivating realm of creative expression. As we look to the future, it's clear that the potential for innovation and artistic exploration in this medium remains vast and untapped. With the ongoing advancements in fabrication technologies, the growing emphasis on sustainability, and the ceaseless creativity of designers around the world, the future of metal furniture design is poised to be even more remarkable, visionary, and truly awe-inspiring. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.